safety, just holding your hand. Walk my way.
Morning guys, it is a chilly start to today's vlog. We are here at work. It is Monday morning. It is freezing cold. There is a frost on the ground, as you can see. Look how white that is. It's amazing. Icy lawn. It's freezing cold. So yeah, no, I'm basically here just trying to keep myself busy and earn that dollar for the family, like any good parent should do. Okay, so jobs to do today. Well, to be honest, when it's cold like this, there's not much you can do as a gardener, so I'm going to look for some stuff to cut up. I'm going to have a bonfire and I'm going to keep nice and warm. So let's go. Let's do this. How sick does that look with the light coming through the trees and the smoke? That looks so good. Guys, we are back. Welcome to the vlog. It has been literally a week since we uploaded because we have been flat out busy with life and everything that gets in the way.
Illnesses.
Oh, honestly, don't mention the sickness bugs. They've been terrible, guys. And we are going to the shops, aren't we?
Yeah! To the garden centre. Woo!
So the garden centre,
to see the Christmas decorations! Yay!
I can't believe we're actually thinking about getting
Jingle
Christmas
bells,
stuff already.
Bells,
Like,
really? Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey.
it's way too early to be talking about Christmas.
No, it's not.
It is. It's
like
November.
6 weeks. Like 6 weeks.
Well, it's the 11th of November today. It's like...
And in like 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks, we're going to be putting our Christmas stuff up. Woo woo!
Yeah, I know,
Not
but...
excited, Mum.
Then we need to get
I'm always excited. You kids always get excited about Christmas, don't you?
Yeah.
What do we want from Santa this year?
Everything. Unicorn pajamas. I love unicorns. I want unicorn everything. She wants unicorn everything.
I think...
I never love unicorn. I want bunny.
I think what you guys need to do is actually like do a list for Santa, so you can, because I'm sure you little boys and girls out there do lists for Father Christmas and stuff. I bet they do.
What?
I bet they're all good for their mums and dads and they're doing stuff for them.
Absolutely.
Although if you're anything like our kids, you could be little monsters as well. Right, garden centre time. We'll have to do them. They can't. Bonfire night was like over a week ago, but we could still do these.
We were ill.
We were ill. We could still do them, huh?
We could maybe do them later on. Maybe if it's not pouring down with rain, 'cause it's raining.
Kids love it in here, don't they?
They do.
Especially bells. I want one of these cool palm trees. Can we just have one of them and the pergola as well?
Yeah.
Preferably without the fire exit sign on it. All the Christmas trees are out already. 11th of November. Mad. Let's go and see some animals. It's warmer in here than it is outside. It's freezing. That is so cool. Hello.
Margot, how are you doing, Margot? Margot. Are you doing good?
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Margot. She's in baby. Margot. Hello, baby.
He's coming down there. He's coming down to say hi.
Baby.
Oh, she's very cute. Hello.
Hi, Margot.
You can't climb on
She
the
wants to get
stick.
up there, but it's not
Margot.
You can't climb on the stick.
Hello.
Oh, beautiful
I can.
bird.
Oh wait, she's got on a stick.
No.
I know.
She's like, no, I can't. Don't put your fingers in the cage.
Margot.
Hello.
Hello.
Muggo.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Oh, she was funny. She was on porn last year in June.
Hello.
Hello.
How are
You're
you doing?
gorgeous.
Hello.
You're gorgeous.
Say thank
Yeah.
We gotta take one. We gotta get one of these birds.
He's laughing.
We gotta take. We should. Hello.
How are you doing?
Ha ha ha.
How are you doing?
No, I said hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Muggo.
Oh, beautiful bird.
Hello. Did you bark?
Yeah, that. Say ha 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 ha.
I know, in a minute.
Muggo.
She said hello to me. She actually said hello. Bunnies. She said my name.
And now look at these bunnies.
Sorry. Ow.
Oh, they're cute.
Hello, you. Hello, you.
Gerbils.
Devils.
They're cute little things. They're so fast though. Oh, he's there. Oh, more rabbits. That's why he's eating. He's just casually eating the tunnel. Look at you. Uncle Paul's got birds.
Hello. What's up here?
Can you see the birds? Can you?
No, don't
They're cute. Angelfish, aren't they?
Two snakes and 1, 2, 3,
What
4.
do you
There's
see? Some
5.
little tiddlers.
There's 5 sea snails. There's one.
There's not many over this side,
There's
is there?
6 sea snails and 1 fish.
These guys are pretty cool. Wouldn't mind some more fish. Actually, no. I don't know.
No.
A big fish tank. You need like Roman's got. There's nothing in there. This is a tank of water. Hey. She never smiles on camera, hon. I will never get her to do it, ever. She will never smile on camera. Just going into the Christmas section now where all the decks and stuff are, and the kids are really super excited already. Look.
It's so soft.
Is it soft? That's massive. She liking the snowman. How cool are these lights? I want some of these lights.
Oh my gosh, this looks so real. I love it.
Are you liking all this? Oh, that's cool. Oh, Daisy, that is proper jingle bells, isn't it?
We need to get one of these and put it on this horn.
No. Put her off the reindeer, hon. Get her off. Sun's up. I swear his eyes just moved. What is it, Noah? It's a train. Why?
Yeah.
What? Did he move? Did he move?
I
What are you
made,
scared of?
no, I moved his hand.
Ah.
Oh my god. Daddy, listen. Oh, Daddy.
It's a little tree.
Yeah, can we get her?
Snowman on a zip wire. My baby. So we decided that the kids are going to make a wish to Santa and put it on the wish tree. And hopefully all their wishes come true at Christmas time this year.
Yeah. How do you spell iPad?
You're joking, right?
It's on flash.
A new one.
What are you doing? Why you got an umbrella indoors? Why you got an umbrella indoors? Did you enjoy dinner? Was it nice?
Yeah.
Did you eat it all? Did you eat all your dinner? Daisy, you're all static. Your hair, look at your hair. You're so static, you're going to be like... Don't touch anything metal. In fact, you're going to electrocute me.
Yeah.
Ah, you're lovely, aren't you, big boy? Hey. Hey! Oh, Bella's having a bum time, she stinks.
Oh yes, thanks.
Sparkler time at the top.
Mummy, you got wet socks. Bella, wait, miss it.
Walk, walk, walk my
She's looking at them and she loves them.
Right. They're going! Yay! Guys, that was so much fun. The Sparklers kids love that. It's capped off a really good day. It's been awesome, and it's really nice to be back with you guys as well. So, I'm going to say cheerio now. The wife's going to say cheerio now, aren't you? Cheerio bye!
Cheery bye.
Say bye!
Bye.
Say bye! Oh, she's waving. Say bye!
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Before we go, let's quickly go and say bye to these little munchkins upstairs, because they're going to want to say bye to you guys as well. They've had a fun day. You guys are like super busy playing your game, but do you guys want to say bye to everyone at home?
Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you soon. See you soon. So yeah, guys, thanks for tagging along today. It's been really good to have you guys back with us. Hopefully we're going to film more this week, because like last week everyone was super sick and super ill, and you know what it's like, you can't really get the camera out and start poking it in people's faces when they're throwing up, so it's not ideal. But we're back now, everyone's cool, everyone's feeling good. Christmas literally about a few weeks away, so we're getting super excited about that. And yeah, no, hopefully it's going to be awesome. So we will see you guys real soon. Stay tuned, stay awesome. Peace out.